Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is another exciting day because it's Jeffree Star's Bloodlust launch day. I went down to the Morphe store in my local area and I didn't know what to expect. It was so much fun. So if you want to see everything I got, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to my videos, ring my bell, and let's get into this haul. Oh, I'm so excited about it. Also, like when I went to the Morphe store this morning, there was about, I want to say no more than 200 people, maybe even less than that, maybe 150 people, like all together that came out for his launch today. I walked up and people were just talking amongst themselves. And I meet this girl named Erica. I will link her Instagram and YouTube below. Go follow her. She is so sweet. I absolutely love her Instagram. She does a lot of flat lays of Jeffree Star products. She's obsessed with Jeffree Star just like me. She's so sweet. Please go follow her. She's so kind. And she's just starting out too with her YouTube journey and Instagram journey just like many of us. So we all have to support each other. So Erica, if you're watching, girl, we have to go to the next launch whenever it comes out. This collection is by far my favorite out of anyone he's launched. Like this one is my favorite. So okay, so first most, I got the Bloodlust palette. I am so excited about this. Like this packaging is everything. Jeffree, Queen Jeffree did it again. This is probably like my most favorite out of everything he's done because purple is my favorite color in the entire world. So I'm just gonna pull out the palette and show it to you guys. So this is what it looks like inside. That was the outside. This packaging is so beautiful. It really does feel like something very nice because it's velvety. It feels like royalty, it does. So it has this little gold knob here. You open it up and everything is intact. I didn't take out the little plastic thing yet, but I will. And the mirror also has a plastic thing. So here's the palette itself. My idiot self, even though Jeffree did do an entire swatch video, I'll link that below for you guys if you haven't seen it. I forgot that these shades were on the end. Dungeon and Executioner. Executioner is beautiful, but for some reason, I didn't realize that those two shadows were on the end and I just thought it was everything in the middle. I'm an idiot, but that's okay. Oh my god, this palette is so beautiful. Wow, it's gonna go really good in conjunction with a mini jawbreaker. I have the mini jawbreaker on. So I'm gonna just do a couple swatches just because I can do that. I'm gonna do a swatch of Take the Crown, this one here. It looks different on camera than it does. So this is Take the Crown. I'm gonna do Pink Magic, which is this pressed glitter. I'm gonna do Blood Queen. It's the one with the crown on it. This purpley shade here. Oh wow, that is really pretty. Oh yes, I can't wait to create looks with this palette. Palette is everything. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna swatch everything because people have done that already. People have already swatched the whole thing, but I'm just gonna swatch colors that are just popping out to me. I have to do Executioner because of those. Oh my gosh, because of those sparkles in it, the glitters in it. If you could see. Yeah, you could see it there. That's so beautiful. I'm so excited about this launch. So I usually don't get everything when a launch comes out because one, your girl's always broke or whatever, but I did go all out for this launch because again, it's purples and purples are my favorite colors in the entire world. All shades of purples, lights, darks, whatever. I just love purple. Oh, I did my nails yesterday at school. You could see the stars on them. I designed them myself and then my instructor, she did this one for me. I did it for the Bloodlust launch. It's just a whole bunch of different shades of purple. So I can also do a video about that to show you guys later on. The next thing I got was Queen Bitch. All of the mini liquid lips. Oh, I had to get this because of Scorpio. I am a Scorpio. This color looks really different on camera than it does. I thought it was more of a gray color, but I don't know. It's a really, really pretty color. It's like a nude purple, if I could say it anything. I'm gonna swatch that one too. Oops, I swatched it over. Oh my gosh, but it came out really pretty. There it is right there. I accidentally swatched it over Executioner. Whoops. That's okay. I absolutely love this shade. Like I said, when I saw it online, to me it looked more gray, but in person, it looks like a nude purple. That's the only thing I could describe it as, and I absolutely love it. And it has all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different shades, the 8 different shades of purple, because purple's a royal color, so I can't wait to also create something with this look, with these. The next thing I got was a mirror. I never buy mirrors, but when everything's in front of your face, you kind of get, I don't know, I just felt really like I had to have at least one from this collection. Because again, it's purple. I think I'm gonna bling it out like a lot of people have been doing. So I think I'm gonna bling out this. And I have like blue purpley shades of stones that I could definitely use on this, so I'm gonna do that too. I got one of his glosses, Wizard's Glass, because I like everything to do with wizards and I just think it's amazing and just beautiful. So, oh, it's so pretty. Look how pretty it is. Oh, it smells good too. Smells like vanilla. There's the shade there. Put it on for you guys. Wow. So it does have different iridescent tones, just like this eye from the mini Jawbreaker. Kind of reminds me of this color. Oral. This iridescent one on top. This one. But then like when you look at it in the bottle, it also has kind of like an even red, mauve-y, pink, purpley kind of tone to it. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. So I am very excited about everything I got. So I'm going to go back through everything that I got and I will tell you the prices of everything. Starting with the gloss. Okay, so the gloss retailed for $18. Jeffree Star Purple Mirror, sparkly purple mirror, retailed for $25. Queen Bitch Velour Liquid Lipstick Bundle retails for $52 with all the 8 minis in it. And the Mother Queen herself, the Queen palette herself, the Bloodlust palette retailed for $54. So you guys can add all that up and see how much I spent. I also was able to get the highlighter that was just a JS exclusive for online only, and I got another gloss. So that's everything I got today. I can't wait to play and create a look with this, which I will do soon. I'm so excited for this launch, Jeffree. I love your products, I love who you are, and I just can't wait to create something amazing with this. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye, everybody.